What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to properly hide notes on your iPhone or iPad. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To hide a note on your iPhone, open up the note in your Notes app you wish to hide. From here, tap on the burger menu on the top right of your screen. When selecting Lock, you have the option to set a password for this note on your iPhone, and you can in addition enable Face ID to easier access the note in the future. When this is done, you will notice a lock icon on the top right. Select it, which will prevent other users from reading the content of this note. To completely remove a specific note, you can make use of a different Notes app, a lot of which can be downloaded for free on the App Store. After installing a separate Notes app, such as Bear, you can go ahead and save the note you wish to hide into the new app. When this is done, use Screen Time App Limits to require a user to use a passcode to access the other Notes app. To do so, open up your Settings application. Select Screen Time. Make sure that Screen Time is enabled. If not, you will have to set up a Screen Time passcode. Tap on App Limits. Select Add Limit and proceed to enter your passcode. Search for Bear if this is the Notes app you use and tap on Next. Here, set the limit to 1 minute before adding the new screen time limit. After doing so, you will notice that the Notes app is grayed out. When trying to open it, you will see that you can ask for more time, which allows you to enter the screen time passcode and improve access to your hidden notes. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.